anytime I drop video contents like this. And without wasting much time, let's hop in straight into the charts. So guys, I'll be telling you guys the next direction that I feel the market is heading to, but before then, I just want to share this coin with you all. Now this coin is very bullish. Okay, this coin is very bullish, and this is actually a very good investment. Okay, it's a very good investment opportunity. Now currently this coin consolidated, rested on this red line, and right now it's pumping. So the next target that I'm looking at for this coin is this line. Okay, let's change this line to yellow. So this coin, guys, is heading to this yellow line, and if this coin breaks out of this yellow line, it is heading upwards to this green line, and if it breaks out, it's heading straight to this blue line. Let's change this to blue. Okay, so it will head over to this blue line and create a new all-time high. So from what I see here, guys, we are heading straight to this yellow line, and if we break out of this yellow line, which there is a high possibility we're going to break out, that would be extremely bullish for this coin. So I need you guys to really invest into this coin. So if you need this coin, get into the channel of the Crypto Prophet and you will gain access to this coin. Okay, now from what I've seen here, guys, this coin was at this price, it hit this yellow line, came down, came up again, hit this yellow line, came down, came up again, hit this yellow line. Okay, now when it came down, it touched this white line, had a pump up to this yellow line, had a rejection, came down, pumped up again to this white line, then broke out of this yellow line. Now when it broke out of this yellow line, it had a rally. Okay, let's check the percentage. Now this coin appreciated by 75%. You can see that when it broke out of this yellow line. So right now, guys, this coin is heading to this yellow line. That's for sure. We are heading to this yellow line for this coin, and when this coin breaks out of this yellow line, definitely we are heading to this green line again. So guys, we're going to be watching out for this green line, because now if we buy this coin, now I'm going to make people in the futures channel to trade this coin. Okay, they will trade it. Now when we break into this yellow line, we break out of it and we head to this green line, we're going to take profits. So from here, from this point to this point, that gives us 72% profits. So if we are trading this with 3x or with 4x, that's going to be 72 times 3. Okay, so you know what that is. If you're trading it with 4x, that's going to be 72 times 4. If you're trading it with 5x, that's going to be 72 times 5. You know what that means. So this is actually money, guys. This coin is actually money. Okay, so we are going to trade this coin and make profits from it by the special grace of God. So you need to join the channel of the Crypto Prophet. We're going to be trading coins like this. These are the kind of coins we're going to trade. Okay, and now this will be my strategy. When it gets to this yellow line, I'll make the channel members to take their profits. Now they're going to open 2 trades with it. The first one, they will take out their profits. The other one, they will leave it as a long-term trade. We would only sell when we get to this point. Okay, and if we do have a rejection, then we would wait. But if we have a breakout, then we would wait for a retest and enter in again, because we know we are riding up to this blue line. Okay, so if we calculate the percentage from this blue line all the way up to this up line, this gives us around 124%. So imagine if you're trading this with 3x, 4x, 5x, you should know how much this is going to give you. So guys, what I want you guys to understand is this: look for ways and connect with the Crypto Prophets. Okay, these are very rare opportunities that you are not going to come across. These are coins that are bound to change the financial situation of a lot of persons, and I, the Crypto Prophet, I have the keys to this. So before I end this video, let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Alright guys, so now this is a Bitcoin charts, and currently Bitcoin is attempting to break into this bullish territory. Okay, now sometime in the month of March, we had Bitcoin pump up to this territory, this region, and then we had a massive rejection. Okay, and several times we've had attempts, you know, to break down from here, but we kept on having pumps, like it kept on just, you know, having forms of consolidation, and then when we broke below this orange line, we had a decline. Okay, let's check the percentage decline. So we had a decline of roughly 21%. So right now, guys, we are encountering this same region again. Okay, let's take out this line so you can see it. So Bitcoin is currently encountering this same region. Okay, it's encountering this region as well. So from all indications, guys, we are battling with this region. This region has a very strong area of resistance. Okay, there's a very strong area of resistance around this region, because here we had it as resistance, here we had it as resistance, here we had it as support. You can see support as well, resistance. Then when we broke out, it became support. Okay, now when we broke out of this region, we had a pump, had a retest, then we were off to the races, came down again, supports, took up again, support, took up again, you know, just had consolidations around this region, took it as support here, off to the races, came down, support again, off to the races, came down, support again in this same region, had it as support, and then we broke out of it, and then we had a crash. Okay, we had a decline. So here we had it as resistance, came down again, came down. Then right now, guys, we are having it as resistance. So in my own opinion, guys, when Bitcoin breaks out of this point, expect to see Bitcoin at around 95, 98, 99, 100k thousand dollars. So $100k thousand is not far from Bitcoin. Currently, $100k is not far from Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin breaks out of this line, expect a massive rally. Okay, that's really gonna be very bullish for the markets. So right now, guys, I've given you the areas of resistance. So if we can break out of this point and enter into this region, this would be a very good bullish region for Bitcoin, and that is also going to drive that coin, the coin I shared with you previously, to break out as well. A lot of coins are going to break out once Bitcoin breaks out of this point, and this is coming very, very soon. So what I need you guys to understand is this: you need people like the Cryptoprophets. Okay, now you can see Bitcoin is trading above this white line, and I shared this white line with you guys. I told you that anytime Bitcoin breaks out of this white line, we always see a massive rally. So right now we are having some forms of consolidation. If we can break out of this point and enter into this region, we're going to keep on opening multiple candlesticks within this region, and this is going to be very bullish for the whole market, for the whole crypto space. So like I'll always tell you, enjoy the ride, enjoy the pump. You need people like the Cryptoprophet. Remember I told you guys that we've entered into a bull run. A lot of persons did not believe me, but I believe right now you're seeing what I'm telling you. But you see, I'm not going to come out to tell you when this market will drop. I won't do that. So you need people like the Cryptoprophet. Look for ways and get into my channel. Send an email, tradingexploit7@gmail.com. Check the descriptive section of this video. You would see the email there. I take it again, tradingexploit7@gmail.com, in order for you to get direction, because I see Bitcoin breaking out of this point. This is going to be very bullish. So now what happens from here after it breaks out? A lot is going to happen, but you need guidance. So look for ways, connect with the Cryptoprophet. Now I will be making videos, but many of these videos will not be public. They will be unlisted, strictly for those following me, strictly for my students. And I'm going to be sharing these updates with them, for them to see, for them to know exactly what is happening. So you don't need to lose track of me. Don't lose track of my updates. Mind you, I have called dates, I have called time. This is me, the Crypto Prophet, that spells out dates and time and tells you what is going to happen. So I'm seeing dates already. So be part of that channel. When this market wants to drop, it would be very catastrophic. Do not get caught up in that dump. I keep on saying it. So for the time being, trade safe, trade smart. I remain the Crypto Prophet. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Thank you.